This video I am going to show you how to do native ads with low budget. Now this is a top secret strategy that even if you have taken some of the paid course, okay, like $1,000, $1,500, then also you will not find this strategy to do native ads with low budget. So watch this video till the end so that you don't miss any crucial information that I am going to provide you in this video. And if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you think this video added some value to your life, then please do like this video. Now without doing any delay, let's get started. See, most of the people who are new in native advertising, they cannot spend a huge amount of money, okay, if they are solo affiliates, like if they are affiliate marketer, and they cannot promote product and services by investing thousands of dollars in the start, okay. And all the method that several high-paying course, high-priced course teach you is to invest like $1,000 per day, $500 per day, and that is not practical for most affiliates. So there is still a way, okay, which you can use to promote native ads in reputed website and get sales, and use that money to reinvest and run a high amount of ads in native ads. So now I am going to explain you how exactly you can do native ads with extremely low budget. For that, firstly, what you need to do is you need to type on Google free VPN extension for Chrome, and then click on this BWEPN. Okay, this is a free VPN for Chrome. Just click on it and add it to Chrome by clicking at here. Okay, so as you can see, it is saying remove from Chrome because I have already added it to my Chrome. So now let me show you. Now you will see this kind of icon at here, okay, that is for extensions. If you just click on it, okay, and then this is the free VPN for Chrome. Make sure to make this pin blue. If it is blue, then this Chrome extension will appear at here. If it is not blue, then it will be vanished from here. So that's why make it blue and it will appear at here. Okay, now once it appears at here, then just click on it and then turn this on and make sure the country is selected, United States. Okay, and then just click on this button and your VPN will be activated in this way. Now as you can see, it is saying VPN is on. Now I can maximize it. Now I can search for any site at here and my location will be of United States. And I can even see the native ads that are running on United States in those specific sites. Now this is the first step. Now the second step is you need to find out the website where you can see the native ads that other people are already running in real time. And for that you don't need to use any kind of paid spy tools, okay, because as I have already told you, you are already on low budget, okay. You want to do native ads with low budget, so that's why you don't need those kind of pricey ad spy tools. So now in order to find out the websites where other people are already running native ads, what you can do is you can simply go to YouTube and type native ads or native ads tutorial. Whatever you want to type, you can type that is related to native ads and watch these videos that other people have made and shown you on how to run native ads. Now what you will notice in some of these videos are some of these people are going to show you the websites, okay, those websites where other people are already running native ads by using platform like Rap Content or Outbrain or anything other. Make note of those websites, okay, so that you can check native ads that is being run by other people. This would be the second step, to note down the websites that other people are showing in this video tutorial, okay. Make note of those websites and then just minimize this browser. So let me minimize this browser and show you one website that I have found out by following the same strategy, okay. I have watched a random video and I have found out this website that is called americanthinker.com. Now some person who was showing this tutorial have got a sales from this website, okay, and it has got a good volume of traffic. So make note of this americanthinker.com also. So now let me maximize it, and these are some of the ads, native ad that is being run in this website. And to run these native ads, the person have used this platform that is called Rave Content. If I show you the logo of Rave Content, then you can notice this is the logo of the Rave Content, and this ad is being run at here by saying sponsored content from Rave Content, and these are the native ad. So now some people are running like Google AdSense arbitrage, okay, this one, and some are running this power companies like of solar power or something like that, okay. So you need to notice this kind of ad. For example, I made this the note of this ad. Someone is already running this ad at here. Now what I can do is I can take the screenshot of this ad. So just simply take the screenshot of this ads and save it, okay, somewhere. And you need to do this for like 2 to 3 days, okay. And 2 to 3 days, or maybe if you can do for 1 week, then that is better, okay. And notice which native ad that is promoting affiliate product is regularly showing in this website, okay, that is americanthinker.com. Only focus on this website, okay. And let's say for 1 week you notice that for 3 to 4 days the same person with same domain, okay, like powercompany.com is showing this ad, rapidly showing this ad at this website, okay, by using several other images and headline, okay. You notice that thing. Then what you can do is just click on that ad, okay. Once you click on that ad, then you will see their landing page, okay. So this is the landing page that this person is using to promote a product that is from ClickBank. So this product, as you can see here, ClickBank logo is at here. So this product is being promoted at here, that is called Solar Switch, okay, and it is available on ClickBank, okay. So what someone is doing is someone is using Rave Content, using this image and this headline and promoting this landing page, and in this landing page they are promoting this ClickBank offer. So now you understood what platform you need to go in order to run the ad for this affiliate product, okay. And you can even create this landing page, and if you don't know how to create this landing page, then I have other tutorials for creating native ad landing page. You can watch those, okay, or you can even do direct linking, okay, by using Web Content and use similar kind of image and similar kind of headline, okay. So like for example, if you have took this screenshot for 1 week, then you will find several headlines, several images, and search on Google, search on different places and find out that image and headline, and then run that particular ad by using Rave Content in the website americanthinker.com only, okay, not on massive website like in lots of website. Don't run in lots of website, just run in this specific americanthinker.com and see if you can get conversion. If you got conversion, then you can start to test that same offer by using same image and headline in other website, like other 4-5 website, okay. Now those other 4-5 website will also be the website that you have taken note from these YouTube videos, okay. Or if the traffic platform is providing, like if Rave Content is providing you the website that has traffic, okay, name of the website, you can test out 2 to 3 website, 4 to 5 website, okay, according to your budget. You can scale in that way, okay. But firstly in the start, spend very less by only targeting one website with this kind of image and headline, okay. So let me reload this website again for one time. So now let's scroll below and see the native ads that is being run, other native ads. So as you can see, here is another other native ads that is being run from Rave Content, and as you can see in top, this ad is showing, okay. Take the screenshot of this, all of these ads, okay. And as you can see, dental implants are now more affordable than ever. This is also most probably product from promoting product from ClickBank, okay. Make note of these things and then start to run native ads by targeting only one website. So make sure when you are noting down the website from these tutorials that other people are showing you, there is high volume of impressions and click, okay. If there is no high volume of click, then also that is fine, but high volume of impression is necessary. Okay, when they are showing that tutorial, you must notice that and then make note of that. Okay, and you can run native ads with low budget by using this simple strategy. Similarly, what you can also do is, furthermore, you can go to some popular site like foxnews.com, cnn.com, okay, and see what other people are running. So these are the native ads that is being run by using the platform that is called Outbrain inside this foxnews.com. Okay, this is Fox News website. So this ad is being run, these native ads are being run in this Fox News, and you can take this screenshot for several days and see which ad is continuously running on this platform and test that same website by targeting only foxnews.com inside the platform. So guys, don't forget to like this video, and if you have any question, ask me in the comment section below, and do subscribe to my channel. Take care, have a great day. Bye bye.